be my pleasure. An honor.
Are you eating apples now, Bubba? He says, not really. I just sort of munch on them a little.
I'm fine. I got my first.
You just like to munch on that, huh? Do you like to munch on that a little? What's that? Max, don't drop your apple, buddy. Did you just drop your apple? No, it's in your hand. Oh, there it went. Oh, they're so slippy. They're so slippy, huh? They're the slippiest. They're the slippiest.
It's okay. You can have that.
Oh, good job, Bubba.